Good evening, this is Bob Farrell with the 7-day forecast for this week. So, as you can see for Monday, it's a calm day with a low of 31 degrees and a high of 39, and a 90% chance of snow. So for right now, there is a lot of snow on the ground and it did snow overnight. For Tuesday, it seems to clear up and a warm front strikes for the weather. It is a high of 41 and a low of 31, and it's partly cloudy. You will be able to see some sun for the day, but it will be mostly cloudy. For Wednesday, it heats up even more with a low of 35 and a high of 45, but there is a 65% chance of rain, so you should expect some humidity. Thursday is a cloudy weather day with a 1 degree difference in weather from yesterday, from a high of 46 to a low of 36, so you should be expecting some cold and some hot for this season. So here comes Friday with a 70% chance of rain. With a 70% chance of rain. Surprising seeing the weather yesterday, but it's a high of 47 and a low of 35, which is hotter but also colder. So for Saturday, it's looking like a 50-50 for rain and a low of 31 and a high of 47. So it stayed the same. And it's a sunny day, but the temp drops with a low of 28 and a high of 40. Alright, so that'll be all for the week forecast. Thank you so much. And now we'll be exploring weather instruments. Turn off. So, for our first weather instrument we'll be exploring is a weather vane. A weather vane or wind vane is a functional, often decorative instrument placed on high points of buildings to indicate the direction from which the wind is blowing. It pivots on a vertical rod with a pointer, often an arrow like this one, or a silhouette. So, like a silhouette, like an animal or something that will be pointing. Its head will be pointing a certain way. So, it will be turning into the wind, traditionally featuring designs like roosters or ships, often seen on like roofs and stuff of farms or shore houses, right? Beach houses. So how this one works is the way the wind is blowing, it'll be blowing that way, and then it'll be pointing towards the way. So there's north, east, south, and west, and then the pointer will show which way it's blowing. So that's that. Stop recording. The next weather instrument I'll be showing to you is a rain gauge. So basically what this thing does is, let's say it's been raining all day, and you want to measure how much rain there is. News people and meteorologists do this all the time. So it's raining, right? It's raining a lot. It rained over the cup and stuff. It's a lot of rain. So it's done raining. We go outside after it's all done raining, and we check how much we had. So right here, it's about 100 milliliters or 3.8 ounces of rain. This can also be contributed to inches, and so on and so forth. They have different measurements. I just have a really big one. So this is 100 milliliters of rain right here, which is 3.8 ounces. Thank you so much for tuning into our weather services. We'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.